This is the original TomTom GPS mount, and the problem it's having is it's no longer able to suck on the windshield, and that's because this little seal here is torn. This is from the mobile device mount that I got from a local hardware store. It's not made by TomTom. It's made by a different company. It's designed for cell phones, it seems, but this part is not necessary for this video. This part is necessary for this video. It has a suction cup here as well, and a little arm to activate the suction. It's a different design from the TomToms, where instead of the arm on the TomTom, it uses this little guy here. Basic principle is still the same. It pulls the suction cup back, creating a vacuum. The key thing to consider here is the size of the ball. This seems to have a similar size to that of the original TomToms, and the ball is right here. So the plan is to replace this unit with the ball with this unit. The tools required include a set of small screwdrivers as such, this is a very small flathead screwdriver. That little screwdriver kit can be found at a local electronics store. So on this original GPS mount here, that is going to get the replacement. There's a little rubber cap. There are two little rubber caps. Okay, one cap is out. The other cap is out as well. And inside there are two little Phillips screws. This is a Phillips screwdriver. And it seems like this one's too big. Seems like this one's the right size. The screw's pretty tight. Okay. Second screw. Screws are out. So ball comes out, and the way it was positioned on my car's windshield was like that. So windshield was here, like here, and suction cup sucks onto the windshield, and this part here was where the GPS mounted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of temporarily keep this the ring in position so that I can kind of plan, or get an idea about how the GPS mount is going to fit or be positioned into this little guy here. So because it's a ball joint, it doesn't really matter if you make a mistake in setting it in the wrong way. I guess the mount can be rotated to whatever position that is necessary. Looks like that's a good position. And this ball might be a little bit too big. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the original TomTom one. So it's a little bit bigger. Just a tiny little bit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sand it down a little bit so that it fits. This here is a bastard, and yeah, that's what they are called. Also known as a file. And because I don't have sandpaper, I'm going to use this little guy here. Let's see how that works out. is not perfect, but it's good enough. Phillips screw. I'm not tightening the first one, I'm just positioning it in the hole. Second one, I'm positioning in the hole again. Now the first one is tightened, the second one is tightened. Not bad. Snug enough, but it moves quite naturally. Very good. Almost forgot the little rubber pieces. Good as new.
Ja,